Okay, Ducati 848 oil change time. So I got my Motul Estricor 1040, the infamous green engine oil, and I got my K&N black filter. I should be a K&N 153 bikes as well, maybe the 1098, whatever, etc. So first things first, really should get the bike up to operating temperature so the oil comes out a little easier. You don't have to, but you really should. And taking off the lower fairings because our filter is right up in here. And yeah, we'll get started. Let's get to it. Take off just the bottom. Dropped a washer. These little plastic washers say here. Supposed to help your fairing from cracking. So they're important to go back on. If they're even on there. Some of these don't even have them. Alright. Okay, it's not coming out. I've been in the way of the camera the whole time. Okay. All right. Okie dokie. There it is. There's our filter. All right. I'm going to start the bike up just to let it get it warm. Then we're going to crack our filter out and do our oil change. I just love the way this bike sounds. Nothing like it. So incredible. I really enjoy this thing. It sounds so good. It sounds so good. Yeah. All right. I warmed it up. Gonna take the filter out and do our drain. Still bugs me out that this engine oil is green, but there she is. It's got this copper washer on it. You always want to make that is what is going to be sealing your oil drain plug. So that's it. We're just about there. Drain plug's gonna go back in. Filter's gonna go on. One thing pretty cool about the K&N filters is they come pre-lubed. If it's not a K&N or whatever it is, just want to make sure that the gasket is lubricated, because you get problems with it cracking, sticking, stuff like that. So this one already comes lubed. There's no oil that's going to be dripping on our fairings or surprising us later when we say, oh my god, we have a leak, we have a leak. We don't want that. All right. It's so sloppy when you see a bike and it's just missing screws here, missing screws there. I've had some. So through the sight glass here, when the bike is standing upright, the level will come up higher. So you're really going to want it just towards the bottom when it's sitting on the side stand. Which, all right. Help too if I have my light over here. See it. All right, so that was 4 quarts, and the bike is supposed to take 3.7. I just stood the bike upright, and the level is a little bit high, but the filter also has to suck some in. And that's it. We're just going to put our cap back on and run the bike and check the level again just to be sure. Check for leaks, and good to go.